Well, you guys don't have to listen to me sand again, but I did skip a lot of stuff. But this is the start of me primering the new fender that I got from Toyota. So we'll see how it goes. I got this whole kit from, let's see if we can get Touch Up Direct. Comes with primer, comes with some sander. It even comes with like the wax and grease remover, wipes. Let's see. This is your color coat, and then it comes with a clear. That's supposed to, oh yeah, look, little doggy. It's supposed to match pretty well. We'll see. I'm just at the primer spot so far, and actually crazy. I think they even matched the primer that's supposed to go on underneath, which I'm guessing is a big thing with paint and how the color coat comes out. So look at my garage's disaster zone right now. That's projects to come. Anyway, my gym is all fucked. Everything's fucked right now, but fender coming along. That's my hood that I'm planning on doing stuff with. Anyway. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys want to watch me paint, so I'll probably just come back when the color coat's being laid down. All right. I mean, we'll see, you guys. I don't know. This is my first time doing this, and I can see some imperfections. Doesn't look so bad on the camera, though. That's a lot of lemon peel. I mean, I haven't even got the clear on yet, but just trying to see, you know, it's like coverage. I missed these completely. I totally forgot about them. But I mean, I don't know. We'll see. It's just such a flaky color, you know? Like I'm worried I missed some spots, and I feel like if you miss spots, it's gonna be very, like right there, it's gonna be quite noticeable. I'm out of paint though, so just FYI, if you do that Touch Up Direct, oh no, you can see streaks, I think. So they only send you one can. That's my bad, because it's really not supposed to be for like an entire body panel. It's just supposed to be like for the other stuff I have on the car that needs to be corrected. It's just supposed to be like for simple stuff. I hope it looks okay. We'll see in a little bit. So just FYI, I'm stupid, and I told you it's my first time doing this. Those aren't streaks, it's just drying, so that's good. See, it's just drying. Just neat. But I'm not saying it's not going to be streaky, but those streaks aren't. And I'm really worried about this area, because for some reason when I was sanding, it showed it. Let's see if I can get it on camera. But there's like swooshes, like real bad. What sucks is I think I'm going to have to redo it. See, that's just drying, you guys. Relax. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo this, but you know, it's gonna look a lot better than what's on it right now, so I guess I can't really complain. Nah. And this really was cheap. To be honest, the fender itself was like, close to like $300, I think, which isn't cheap at all, but I mean, I guess I should just be lucky that Toyota still sells them. And the paint was only $100, so to get a color matched paint like this is pretty cool. Makes it a lot easier for someone like me who's a cheap ass that doesn't want to pay a professional. But I did fuck up. I should have got at least another can, but it is what it is. All right, first round of clear is on, and pretty sure we're gonna be doing this again because I hate it. Let me see. Yeah, I want you guys to see. I want you to see see the swirl marks right here, but they're bad. I wonder if you could. It's not really letting me see them. They're there and they're bad, and even like for some reason when I did, you could see this spot right here, right at the tip. See how that's like a different color than the rest? Yeah, it's just there's gonna be some uneven spots. I mean, the color though, I think is gonna work out well, but I'm definitely gonna have to. I think I'm gonna end up sanding this whole thing down again, and it's so hard to tell. But like, it's really streaky. I just not enough paint, basically. Just not enough paint. So we're just gonna have to, do it again, I think. Kind of is what it is. Yeah. Yeah. See how you can see that? See that corner? Corner's weird. A lot of flake. I'm worried. I'm almost worried when I put it up against the car. This is gonna have more flake. I'm trying to see if I can. Well, you can kind of see the swirl. I don't know. Well, when I put it on the car, I think because it's still gonna go on the car. And what? Oh yeah, you can kind of see how that bottom is. It's kind of how the whole thing is. Anyway. Yeah, it's kind of a bummer, but it is what it is. This is what learning's about, you know. Look at that though. The spots that did come out came out really well, but the spots that didn't, well, yeah. We'll see. I don't know. Man, I just wish you could see that. All right. I guess the next one will be when it's on the car. Or maybe I'll do a video. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so this is the before. So, same color, same. Hopefully, I hope it looks better. Ugh, look at that. Sitting under a tree. Oh boy. Not bad though. No, like, doesn't look like anything got damaged as far as like the headlight bracket or the frame rail. Very straight. So really no damage from that hit or anything, just like the bumper's still kind of bent in, but we will see elsewhere. Everything looks all right though. Okay. Hopefully next video is just with a bumper on, or a new fender on. All right, new fender. It's kind of cool. You can see where, like, some of it looks pretty close, right? Like that looks okay. That looks okay. And then you come to the door, and it's like, hell nah. Yeah. So that's primer coming through. So I just did not have enough paint, which sucks, but I'm actually I'm okay about it. I mean, it looks terrible, but I think if I am able to get more paint, obviously I'm just gonna paint it right to the car. Like, see, some shots, some areas look okay, but you could tell a huge difference between the door and the fender. And like, look how much flake compared even. It's almost like it's just lighter. I just needed more paint. That's all. And I think I got more paint on that top area than over here, which also makes sense because I went over it a few more times. But yeah, so this is where we're at, and yeah, just gonna have to repaint it along with the hood and the roof, but whatever. First try. Looks okay. let's see, 10 feet ish. Let's see, 15. Still pretty bad. So yeah, I don't know, guys. That back end, but at least it's just mostly focused on the rear quarter now. But we'll see. Damn it. All right. That's it. Next is probably going to be attacking this hood, because I'm not getting paint for this fender for a while. We'll see.